Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today I'm going to do a how I straighten my hair. So this is what my hair looks like when it's straight, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's not and the entire process. So let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to start with is taking my hair out of the towel. And the thing is that my hair, I actually washed it like almost 30 minutes ago or an hour ago even, so it's not really that drained. It's almost towel dry, but it's not really dry, but I think this is fine to work with. And anyways, this is what my hair looks like right now. Wait, that is like I am educated. I'm hairstylist in Sweden, but we don't get the education about this type of hair, like curly hair and afro hair, which is discrimination, first of all. And then I want to say that, so I'm not educated about the specific hair, so I'm just want to put it out, like I just want to put it out there right now in the beginning. But I am educated on hair in general, and what I've learned is when the hair is wet, that is when it is easier to form it. So I just want to put it out there. But my hair right now is quite dry, so I think I'm going to like get some water into it first, and then I'm going to start the process of blow drying. So I just wet my hair a little bit more, yeah, just to do this process. So I'm going to take it like this, the front, and put it like up here and the other part as well. So okay, and now we only have the sides, so I'm going to start lower, and I'm going to comb it carefully, very careful, before I take the brush that I'm going to use. I'm going to go in with this one. Then I'm just going to, I'm not using the like hottest setting, I'm using the middle. I'm going to keep it like this. You can definitely get it flatter than this, but this is there, it's dry now, so if I keep going it's just adding like heat that is unnecessary to my hair, so we don't want that. I'm just going over to the other side, and we do have this little part right here, and this is a little bit wetter than this was, so you can see the difference. Yeah, and I want to put some more heat on here. I've already put a little heat, so you don't think I'm crazy. I'm going in with no heat protection spray. It is very important. Don't forget the spray. If you don't have it at home, then you should wait until you get it. Like, you cannot do this without protect your, like, the hair. If you don't want to ruin your hair, use heat protection spray, and do never use oil before, okay? Because that is frying your hair, and you don't want to fry it, you don't want to cook it, so it's very important to have no oil in when you do this. Straighten and like at least straighten. Blow dry, I'm not that sure, but I know straighten your hair with oil, that fries the hair, and straighten your hair when it's damp or wet also fries the hair. No, it doesn't fry, it boils the hair, and you don't want that. Your hair is not spaghetti, you know. Okay, so I'm done with the blow dryer right now, and my hair is so big and I look like a lioness. Okay, but that's not wrong because actually my racing is Leo, so this is perfect for me. So my hair looks like this when it's blow dried. I didn't do it like perfect. I didn't really, like, as I said, I'm a little stressed because I'm in a hurry, and I'm obviously in a hurry every time I do things like this that take time. For some reason, I don't know, that's just in my nature. So I'm going to start straightening it right now. I'm using an old straightener that I have, and I've had this for like all my life because this is my first straightener. I still got it, it still works. And I did use my sister's, which I got, but it started lagging, so I need to use this one again, and it's okay, but the other one is a little bit better, to be honest. So hopefully it doesn't lag now when I look like this. Yeah, okay, so let's begin. I'm going to start with this one, so this side. So I'm going to put this side in like in a bun or something. Yeah, a bun. A small bun on the side. Okay, so like that, and then I'm going to part right here as well, and going to put this up. Wait, I have like hair here. Yeah. I think I'm going to do this side first, and then I'm going to time lapse this side for you. I think that would be better because this is like the side closer. Okay, so I'm done with this side, so I'm just going to quick do this one on. I'm going to do like time lapse. This is the difference.
Had to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard way. Say you want me, then keep playing these games. I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't stay, get up out of my way. Can't believe I thought you were the one. Waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I won't. Think I'm good on my own. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm independent, you hard-headed. Too damn confused about what we had. Was all for it, all that was wrong shut up inside. But I was foolish, that your bare minimum was space. I had to lose it, my feelings muted. Put it into what we had without the full closure. Cause there be times I thought that we could start this all over. But now I know I can't do any type of mediocre. Used to fall back, but now I'm on a looking forward. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flights, waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Day by day, taking time to myself. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Think I'm good on my own. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. 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 I'm good, yeah. Taking you in this moment. Come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me. touching. Take a load off and your clothes off. Just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up at night, got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me them butterflies. Take me from low to highs, want you here every day. Can't get enough. You get me stuck. I'm more gonna stack up your dinner. Got nothing to lose 'cause I'm a winner. I got everything.
Okay, so I'm done now with my hair and it looks like this. And I'm really content with it. Comment down below whatever you think about this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below whatever videos you want to see me do next. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.